If you are trying to learn a language, you have probably heard of Lingodeer, but is it actually better than apps like Duolingo or just another overrated tool? In this video, I'll break down Lingodeer's features, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth your time. What is Lingodeer? Lingodeer is a language learning app designed mainly for beginners. It focuses on structured lessons, grammar explanations, and practical vocabulary. It's especially popular for Asian languages like Japanese, Korean, and Chinese, but it also offers languages like Spanish, French, German, and more. Key features. First, structured courses. Unlike some apps that feel random, Lingodeer follows a clear path, from basics to more advanced topics. Second, grammar explanations. This is one of its biggest strengths. Instead of just guessing answers, you actually understand why something is correct. Third, interactive exercises. You get listening, reading, writing, and even sentence building exercises, not just multiple choice. Fourth, offline mode. You can download lessons and study without internet, which is useful if you are on the go. Pros. Great for beginners. Lingodeer is very beginner friendly. It starts slow and builds your foundation properly. Strong grammar focus. This is where it beats apps like Duolingo. You actually learn how the language works. High quality audio. The pronunciation is clear and natural, which helps with listening skills. Clean and simple design. The app is easy to use and not distracting. Good for Asian languages. If you are learning Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Lingodeer is one of the best apps out there. Cons. Limited advanced content. Lingodeer is great at start, but it doesn't go very deep for advanced learners. Not very flexible. You have to follow the course order. You cannot easily skip around like in some other apps. Paid features. Most of the good content is behind a subscription. The free version is quite limited. Less gamification. If you like streaks, leaderboards, and heavy gamification like Duolingo, Lingodeer feels more serious and less fun. Pricing. Lingodeer offers a subscription model. You can pay monthly, yearly, or get a lifetime plan. It is not the cheapest app, but considering the structured lessons and quality, many users find it worth it, especially for serious learners. Lingodeer versus Duolingo. Quick comparison. Lingodeer equal better understanding grammar and structured learning. Duolingo better for casual learning and daily practice. If you are serious about learning a language, Lingodeer is the better choice. If you want just something fun and light, Duolingo might be enough. Who should use Lingodeer? Lingodeer is best for complete beginners, people who want to understand grammar, learners of Japanese, Korean, or Chinese. It is not ideal for advanced learners, people who want a fully free app, and users prefer game style learning. Final verdict and conclusion. So is Lingodeer worth it? Yes, if you are a beginner and want a solid foundation with clear explanations, but if you are looking for advanced content or a free experience, it might not be the best option. And that is it for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with a like and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos about such topics. Let me know down below in the comments what language are you learning right now and why. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.